Hey there, gorgeous. Okay, today we have a boom, 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 boom. Okay, that was a poor representation, but we have some electronic dance music, 3 songs. It's gonna be less than 15 minutes. All you need is your perfectly gorgeous, beautiful body. I'm gonna show you modifications. You pick what works best for you, get a hot, sweaty mess in, and get out. All right, guys, I'll see you on the other side. Go be awesome. All right, what we got?
Y'all ready for this?
I promise it's not an armor chain. Ooh. Butterflies. Slow turn, 4. Butterflies, right there. Turn, back wall. Booty circling. Do it again, butterfly. Turn it. One more time. Now think booty kicks, and then we move. Booty kicks. Kick, kick, move, kick. Kick, kick, and a move, and a kick. Do it again. Don't think about it, your body will just do it. We got one more move to do. 3 taps. 3, 2, slide. 3, 2, slide. 3, 2, slide. Do it again, come on. Last 2. From the top, take it out, go. Circle. Oh, I heard that. You are not playing around with that booty smack tonight. Where are you putting it at? You got the meats. Oh, this way. See, Jenny, I almost forgot. Back. My brain was like, oh no, there's a change there. Butterfly. Turn it. Now you're gonna pick this foot up. Butt kick, go. Look. Look. Move. Come on. Last one. 3 taps. Slide. Can you get way over there? Okay, I'm sorry for the things we're getting ready to do. Hang on. Oh, that. Jack, let's go. Turn. Now low impact, you can take the hop out. You can tap the side to side. Now we turn. Just walk your feet, everybody. Now you're on the balls of your feet. Heels are up. Find the beat, you'll hear it. Now the chorus of the song is just pure madness. You pick what you want. 2 jacks. Back 4. Front 4. Double back. 2 jacks. Low impact. Just take the hop out. Get it back. Heels front. Take it back. Do it again. Let's go. Back. Front. Double double. Jack. Back. Front. Double double. Walk your feet. Walk.
Open your
What
mind.
calf muscles? We're fine. It's all fine.
The world has been left broken.
I have no idea what she's saying. Your calves will hurt. That's what she said. We gotta do one more round. Build it back up. Check. Back. Front. Double double. 2 tracks. Back. Front. 2 tracks. Low impact, you just take the hop out. Tap it back. Tap it front. Tap it back. One more time, let's go. Front. Double double. Tracks. Here we go. Turn. Front 4. Turn. Shot. Turn. He thought it was over. Turn. Hold it. Move those feet. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Put your feet like this. That's cute. 3 shallow. 3, 2, now 1 big valve. 3, 2, 1 big valve. Knees and toes are pointed out on the diagonal. Do it again. 3, 2, 1. Big 1. 3, 2, 1. Almost here. Last one. Shake. Oh, it's just up and down. The shake's next. Now the shake. Come on. We're gonna go down up. Booty bounce. Down 3, 3, 2, 1. Push. You're taking that pelvis. Push. Ooh. Come on, do it again. Let's go. Now the next part, we're gonna move just a little bit. Give those legs just a break. 2 steps. Now turn. 2. Now turn. 3, 2. Now turn. There's still sumo squats in there. You're just walking them. Here we go. Turn. Look at those sexy legs. Now you think you're done, but you're not. Keep going. Da 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 da. One more time, both sides. Go. Last one. Get low. Hold. Side to side. Go. Woo, ready?
Let me see it.
3, 2, 1, push. It's easy after this song. Come on, give me everything you got. You're like, you're a liar. I think it's easier. I can neither confirm nor deny. Everybody bounce. Oh, she's like. Well, that was extra right there. That was a